Alright everyone, you have 1 hour to finish your exams.
Oh no, I didn't study for the exam. I don't know how to do any of this. Oh, I know how I can get some help. I'll stream the test with my fans and they'll help me with the answers. Hey guys, thanks for joining my live stream. I forgot to study for my test and I need your help to get the answers right. Oh, Mia needs help. I got this. Hey, Mia, this should help with your test. Oh, thank you so much, Ivy. All right, guys, this is the end of my live stream. Thanks so much for your help.
How did Mia get help on her exam? Maybe I can get some help too. Hey, Ivy, can you help me too?
I'm kind of busy. Sorry.
Please, I'll pay you.
Hey, stop making so much noise and focus on your test.
Sorry, Professor.
Sorry, Lily, I can't help you.
Oh, I guess I just have to try my best.
Alright, this week you're getting in groups of 2 to work on your project.
What? Group project? I want to be Mia's partner. What? No, Mia's so popular. I don't want to be her partner. Mia, be my partner. No, be mine.
What? Why doesn't anyone want to be my partner? I know what to do. Whoever wants to be my partner gets $5,000.
What? Money? Forget the money. I'm being Mia's partner. Yeah, we're gonna be partners. Haha, I'm Mia's partner. Awesome! I can't wait to be your partner. We gotta try and hurry so we can post all about it on my social media after. Yeah!
Hey.
Yeah, let's get started.
Sure, but where's the money?
Here you go.
Okay, let's start on the research then.
Okay. I'm gonna be streaming while we're working on our project. Is that okay with you? Sure, I don't mind. Awesome. Huh? Oh no! My stream is taking all of the computer's energy and my search won't load. Huh? That's weird. My device is working just fine. I'm so sorry to my audience, but I think I'm gonna have to end the stream. What? Don't do that! Don't disappoint your fans. We can use my laptop and do all of our work together. Wow, really? Thank you so much. No problem. Shout out to my friend Joyce. Follow her on social media, guys. Hi, everybody. Now let's get started. All right, Lily, let's start this project so we can finish early.
Don't worry, I have my laptop right here. See, it's right here.
Put that away. It's too bright. Ugh.
Sorry, how am I supposed to do the research for the project now?
I'm going home. You do your part of the project and I'll do mine.
Okay, bye.
See ya. Hi guys, today I'm streaming from art class. I'll make sure I show you guys all the finished products. All right, everybody, bye for now. Oh, I can't wait to see your painting when it's done. Yeah, me too. Achoo. Oh no, Mia, your painting! Is it ruined? No way, look how abstract it looks. Now this is a masterpiece. Wow, you're right, it's so beautiful. I'll do it too. Yeah.
Hey guys, what do you think about my painting?
It's not bad, but I think you have to make it a little more abstract.
Really? Are you sure?
Yeah, Lily, come on, it's the latest trend.
I'll think about it.
Come on, Lily, you'll be so much more popular. Bye, guys, thanks for joining my stream. I have to get ready for class. Huh? Where's my pencil? Hey, Lily, can I borrow a pencil?
No, I need all of my pencils. This one's for notes, this one's for tests, this one's for homework.
Okay, thanks anyways. Hey, Mia. Don't worry, you can have my pencils. I'm such a huge fan. Aw, thank you so much. No problem.
Listen up everyone. You only have 1 worksheet today. Turn it in before the end of class.
What? Classwork? Oh no, I forgot one of my pencils. Ivy, can I borrow one of yours?
No way, you have 2 perfectly good pencils on your desk.
Fine, I guess I'll just have to use my test pencil.
Hi, can I get 1 slice of pizza, please?
That'll be $2.50, please.
What? I needed money? 1 second, please. I don't have any money. Ooh, I know what to do. Whoever buys me lunch can have a picture with me. Yay! Whoa, a picture with me? I want one. I'll pay for your lunch. This is the best day ever. Thank you so much. Come on, let's take our picture. Yay, I'm so lucky. You're so popular.
Ooh, I want to try that. Maybe somebody wants a picture
What is she talking about?
I don't know, kids these days.
Huh? It's not working! I'll give this money to whoever wants to take a picture.
Ooh, money. Sure, I'll take a picture with you.
Yay, at least someone wants to take a picture with me.
Thanks for the picture, bye! So how was the test?
I got pizza for everyone!
Yay! Pizza's the best! Yeah!
They all have yummy pizza, and all I have is this fruit. I'm gonna look so weird. I know.
Hi, Mia!
Ooh, what do you have for lunch today?
Oh, just some apples and a tomato. You guys should try it. It's the newest diet.
Wow, that's awesome!
Yeah, pizza's so greasy. Well, it's never too late to start.
Oh, maybe I should try that diet too.
We all should.
Yeah! Wow, my ring is so pretty. I should show it off to everyone.
Yeah, do it. Okay, now let's see the pictures.
Okay, sure. I look so awkward.
Oh my gosh, you look so silly, Lily.
You're laughing at me? Fine. Let's see what people think when I take a silly picture of you.
Stop. Stop, no.
Let's see them now. What? You look so good.
Let me see. Wow, it already has 160 likes in 60 seconds. So it is true.
You posted a picture and we couldn't believe it.
You and me are hanging out? Can we hang out too? I actually have to go, I'm sorry. Wait, come back, wait.
I wish I was as popular as Mia. Joyce, Ivy, you're invited to my party this weekend.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, we'll see if we can make it.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Oh, hey Mia, here's your invite.
A party at your house this weekend? I'll be there. I can't wait. Oh, Mia's going?
We can definitely make it now.
Yeah.